Hey guys, welcome to Sandra's Quick News, where I'll give you the tech news quick. OxygenOS 10.5.5 is now rolling out for the OnePlus Nord, and some of the improvements include improved volume adjustment interface, fixed system reboot issue when freeform is enabled, and improved charging experience. Apple has announced that they are going to open Apple Marina Bay Sands soon. A industry source has reported that Realtek Semiconductor is ramping up production for its RF SoCs in the third quarter of 2020. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm on Twitch, Pinterest, Google Keen, and DailyMotion, so you can follow me on them. I've got a new website called sandralinux.com where you can read about the tech news and more, so you can check that out. And comment down below suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to tech news, reviews, and how-tos. I post every day, so be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. But until the next one, goodbye.